Welcome to the first of many MeraCeph YouTube videos. I don't know how long I'm going to do this. I don't know how successful it's going to be. But if I can make a video, I might as well. I'll be playing a single ARAM before I go to my actual job. Here's to hoping that this takes off. I'm not the best at League of Legends, but I'm improving day by day. Take first strike. I love first strike on Maokai. The sapling's just giving you random money. Stopwatch for some crazy W plays. Minion DMS? No, let's go futures market. And then approach velocity. Do I want ultimate CD? Or do I want AP or speed? Let's go ultimate CD. Going AP, of course. And we're going to take the funny exhaust. Pled, Italy, Jenna, Kazakhs. Kazakhs I've never found to be great in ARAM. I think he's just flawed in ARAM. Going, of course we're going AP. Who wouldn't want to go AP in ARAM? First strike, first strike, first strike, first strike, first strike. Don't hit the minions. Yes. Plus 14. Crazy. Plus 17. Plus 19. First strike Maokai is kind of insane. It's pretty new. From what I've seen, for Maokai to be played first strike as opposed to other runes like defensive runes to be played first strike AP. It's pretty fun. It's pretty fun tech. Go sapling. What are you doing in there? Go sapling. Why are you dancing around? Go hit the victor. No, the minions. See if this will get me one. Yep, it will. Did I get hit?
Huh?
I got hit. I got credit for that one though. Love Maokai. Such a funny little treat. Alright. First strike is ready to be procced. Make some money this way. Plus 15. What was the point of that, Thresh? What was the point of that? To trade me so I can get my mythic item. Don't hit me. When did that happen? Go in that bush. I dare you. First strike. 35. That's why we take stopwatch. So we can make those plays. Easy, 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 easy. It's fine. That's not damage. Doesn't trigger my first strike. That's unlucky. Still damage them. Doesn't need to proc first strike every time. Yeah, like that. That leads to a kill. And a death. He doesn't even die? What are we doing? What are we doing, team? When did Kha'Zix get 4 kills? Give some of those to me. I think he's just flawed. I think he's just flawed. I think he's just flawed. Plus 54 gold. I'm dead though. These Anivia walls are a pretty big pain. Our rage against whatever he says. What do I get from that? 24? I exhausted him to hopefully nerf the damage a little bit. Didn't work out. Exhaust is so broken. I take it pretty much every single time. Let me out. I should have W'd instead of trying to flash. Hey, what can I say? Don't mess with Mother Nature. Don't mess with Mother Nature. Just wait till this procs on someone. Victor, please don't check this. Oh, oh. I'm dead. Anyone building MR? They're actually building a lot of MR. Shields, MR. No MR boots, but we do have 2 people yet to decide their boots. I don't think it's worth. I think I just get Morello's. Is Morello even worth? No, Morello's not even worth. What's worth here? Tier, I guess. I died, but does the team succeed? Not even close. Good to know. Can't win front to back, have to poke. Got a lot of first strike gold there. 554? That's a kill and a half. I don't take this portal. If I take this portal, I die. Cooldown's low enough that I can use 3 of them now. Alright, I'm gonna actually start poking now and stop trying to get first strike value. Stop ending for first strike value. I have earned a lot of money though with it. It's like I'm 5 and 9 and 12. Yoinky. Yoink. Yoink, yoink, yoink. Ooh, missed. A swing and a miss by the bird. No, my first strike. I have slain an enemy? How did I do that? She's not gonna penta. Not possible. Yeah. Did I stall them enough? I do believe I did not. I did not. I can get this. In just a schmeckend. Just a schmiggity schmeckend. 235 limit? Yeah, I can get this. How much damage to this Shen? 23. Yeah, we know. We see the Xayah. Thank you, though. Kha'Zix's got the Xayah. Huge. Ping him, make him feel good. I did say this was the first video. It's not the first. There was before this one a recording of me speedrunning Inscription, which at the time I think was 9th place. Now it's like 50 millionth. But that was back when the game came out. Like 22 minutes 15 seconds I believe was the moon percent. And I think the record at that time was 17 minutes. Now it's down to like under 10 or something stupid. But that video was recorded and posted to my channel. I streamed it, actually, and posted to my channel when I was living at my parents' house. Bro, what is this Nidalee doing? This Nidalee is so brain dead. So absolutely brain dead, this Nidalee. GG. That concludes the one game. Thank you for joining me. And I will see all you guys next time.